Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited to be here. I came back today with a very quick and easy video for you guys. I'm not gonna hold you guys up, but I just wanted to say welcome back to the channel. It's 2020. This is like my second video of the year, I think. Who knows? Anyway, welcome back to the channel, guys. Happy New Year. Hopefully everyone is doing great and you all are striving to get those goals accomplished and the things you need to do to make your decade better. Anyway, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Quamikab. Welcome. We're gonna get right into the video. As you all have already read the title, today I'm gonna be giving you guys 5 easy things that you need to start your own YouTube channel. 5 quick and easy things that you need to start your own YouTube channel. So if you've been sitting at home thinking, oh my God, I want to start my YouTube channel, I don't know what to do, I don't know what I need, how do I do it? You guys, I got y'all. If you guys are interested in this video, stay tuned. But you guys already know what I'm about to say, and that is to stop right now, subscribe, and put on your post notification bell so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And let's just get right into the video. So the first thing you guys are going to need is a Google account, a Gmail account. In order to get started on YouTube, you need to have a Google account. So if you do not have a Gmail email, you need to create one so that you all can get started with signing up with YouTube, so you can get started on this journey of having your own YouTube channel. So basically all you're going to do is go to Google, and there is an option that says create a Gmail account. You're going to go in. So if you want your Gmail or email, same thing, to be the name of what your channel is going to be, you can use that. You can use your name. You can use any name. It just has to be a name to start a Gmail or email with. Like me, I use Quamikab for my Gmail account. That's what I use to sign up for YouTube. And we'll get into that further into the video, but you need an email, you need an email, you need an email. So you got Gmail, you got Yahoo, you got, I don't know what other emails are out there. I like Gmail. I've been using Gmail for years. So you are going to go on Google. You're going to go type in how to create an email. They're going to direct you to the link that you need to get to create an email. They're going to tell you the steps you need. Sometimes they might say you need an uppercase, a lowercase, a letter, a number, whatever it tells you that you need, fill that out. But you need a Gmail to start on YouTube. With that being said, you need a Gmail to go. When you finish creating your Gmail and get a password, you're going to bring that over to YouTube, and then you're going to go to create an account. While creating that account, you need to have an email. So that's why I'm telling you guys, you need to have an email in order to start with creating an account for YouTube. All right, so that was number 1. You need an email. Number 2, which probably should have been number 1, but I'm not going to say them in any order. Okay, so number 2 is you're going to either need a camera or a cell phone. These days we are recording with our cameras, our cell phones. I don't know if they still do webcams, but if you have a cell phone, you are good to go. You do not need to go out and buy no expensive camera. I have a camera. I actually have 2 cameras and a cell phone. I really only use one, but to each his own. You don't have to start off big and spend all of this money and say, oh my God, I need this, and this to start my YouTube channel. Look, don't let it fool you. There is many YouTubers out here that are literally using their cell phones, Apple phones, Android phones. I feel like the quality with Apple phones are better as far as the picture quality and pixels and all of that. So I suggest if you have an iPhone, go ahead, get started. It's very easy. Put the camera on record and start recording, guys. Stop holding and making excuses. Stop holding off and making excuses. But either a cell phone or a camera. I really don't suggest, if you don't want to spend a lot of money, don't start off with a camera. Start off with your phone. When you get the money that you need, or when you get the funds, then switch over into a camera. But you do not need to start off with the camera. Cell phones these days with cameras with rear facing and front facing cameras have really good quality. Like I said, I suggest iPhones. They are the best to me, but to each his own. If you have a Android and you feel like it's good quality, be my guest. Use your Android. But that is the second thing you would need, is either a camera or a cell phone to do your recordings with. The third thing you guys are going to need is either a computer, a laptop, or you can use your cell phone as well. In order to edit your videos, in order to get on the internet, to get access to YouTube, you need a computer, or, you know, like all cell phones, we have access to internet. So if you don't have a computer, once again, you can use your cell phone. Cell phones come in handy these days. There's not everyone on YouTube does not have a laptop. I suggest if you do decide to get a laptop, a MacBook is the way to go. Just my opinion. You don't have to. You can use any kind of computer, any kind of laptop. I mean, I don't know. You might be able to even go to a library or use a friend's computer or laptop. But like I said, you can edit on a computer and you can edit on a cell phone. So you need one of those two to get your videos edited and access to YouTube to where you can upload the videos as well. Either or will work. Number four, you need a tripod. Whether you have a cell phone or whether you have a camera. So a tripod can be a handheld tripod, a one with a stand. It could be small, short, table wise, whatever type of tripod you can afford, because there are some very, very, very reasonable price and affordable tripods. You can search your local Amazon. You can go to Best Buy, Walmart. They always have sales and deals. So I have 2 standing tripods. I have a couple of handheld tripods. To each his own. Some people like to record their cameras or with their phones on their tables, or you can have them standing up in front of you like I have now. But like I said, I have multiple tripods, but to each his own. You need a tripod to record your videos with, and tripods now are built for cell phones and for cameras. So like I said, you don't need a camera. You can use your cell phone as well. Tripods have different attachments where you can use to where you can have an attachment for your camera, you can have an attachment for your cell phone, either way. So number 4, you need a tripod. You need a tripod. Like I said, there are some that are very, very, very reasonable. If I could find some reasonable price ones, I'll leave a link for it in the description bar down below. I'll leave a link for everything that I'm mentioning in today's video in the description bar down below. And I'm the type of person where I love to save money when I can. I love getting things on a budget. I love affordable things. So you all already know I'm not going to put nothing expensive down in the description bar. So I can find some reasonable price. I'll leave a link for them in the description bar down below. Anyways, we are on to our final and last thing that we need to start our YouTube channel with. We almost there, y'all. Number 5 is you need some type of lighting. And I say that to say this. When I started off on YouTube, I live in an apartment. The lighting is not always great here. To each his own. If you have good lighting, you can use natural light. It's free. Natural light is like number 1. It's free, but you got to know how to get those angles when the sun's set, when it's not setting, when the sun is up, when it's not up. You all know you have to get those right angles when it comes to natural lighting. But you can purchase a ring light. They have tripods now that come with ring lights attached to them, which are table tripods with ring lights. You have the standing tripods with ring lights. There are DIY lights that you can create and make on your own for the low. When I first started off on YouTube, I used these lights that they will use. I don't even know the name of it, but they will use them when, you know, the guys are working on cars in the garages and stuff. I actually pick it up at my local Walmart. I'm gonna leave it in a link for that in the description bar down below, because those lights got me through, y'all. Like, before I got my ring light, I was using those lights and you guys would never know the difference. I love my ring light, don't get me wrong. I love my ring light. It's like the best thing that can happen to me, because I don't have to worry about a separate tripod and lighting. Man's is all combined into one. But like I said, you don't need to go out and spend major money. You can budget and come up with ideas as you go along the way. I'm just giving you guys some quick tips and suggestions on what you need to get started with. And as you progress into YouTube, you can always upgrade your equipment. There are people out here that are selling refurbished items as well, used items. I mean, there's people all over Facebook. There's actual retail stores that do refurbished items and, you know, used items. So you guys, do your research. search around, look around, try to get the best price you can. But like I said, you all might have some of this stuff already at home and you don't have to go and spend a dime. I gave you guys my 5 things, suggestion, tips, whatever things you need to start YouTube. So get off that couch, stop making excuses, and go ahead and get started, y'all. Get started on YouTube. It's easy. Don't make it harder than what it is. So, all right, guys. So if you all enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Please share. Please comment. Please subscribe. And put on your post notification bell so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.